In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR codes on Zoho Invoices. This feature can be particularly useful for making your invoicing process more interactive and efficient. Let's dive into the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to Zoho Accounts. This is where we'll start our journey by accessing the right settings to enable QR codes on your invoices. Once you're in Zoho Accounts, move your attention to a section often referred to as the 6-box option. Clicking on this will unfold several features, leading you to what we need, Zoho Invoice. So go ahead and click on Invoice. By doing this, you are entering the space where all your invoice-related settings live. After you have accessed Zoho Invoice, it's time to delve into the settings specifically designed for invoices. You need to click on the Settings option. This is your portal to a variety of customizable functionalities that Zoho offers for invoices. Simply find the settings icon. It usually looks like a small cog or gear. It's instantly recognizable as the gateway to configuring your tool to fit exactly what you require. Once you're in the settings section, click on the Invoices option. This step may seem redundant, but it directs you specifically to the invoice preferences. In this space, you can fine-tune different features directly related to how your invoices look, behave, and even interact with your clients. Now, the critical step, enabling QR codes. Within the invoice settings page, you will find various preferences that you can toggle on or off. One of these settings pertains specifically to managing QR codes. Look for the section where it talks about enhancing invoices with QR codes. You will see an option that allows you to enable these. Click the Enable option, sometimes indicated by a simple checkbox or a toggle switch. Make sure this feature is activated, and that's it. By following these steps, you will have successfully enabled QR codes on your Zoho invoices. This feature will not only aid in the accuracy and speed of sharing information, but also provides a modern touch to your transactions, allowing anyone with a suitable device to scan and instantly interact with invoice details. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Remember, having QR codes on your invoices can really enhance your billing process, making transactions swift and clients happy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.